Hi, it's Sheridan here from the Training Designers Club, which is the place to go for practical L&D support, especially if you work on your own. And it's Bank Holiday Monday. I'm visiting my parents. They're getting quite elderly now, they're almost 80, and so we are helping in the garden. We are clearing the patio, clearing the gutters, that sort of stuff. And the reason that I'm popping up with a link to training design is that what's brilliant about doing this for my mum and dad is that they have all the tools we need. We don't have to bring anything with us. They've got everything. They've got the wire brush, which is amazing, by the way. They've got the pressure washer, they've got hose, they've got hard brushes, the trowels, they've got everything that we need. But having what they need, having the tools, doesn't mean to say they can do the job. Now, obviously, they used to be able to do the job. It's now a physical thing as to why they can't. But I think in L&D, especially with the emergence of all the amazing AI tools that are out there, we seem to think that actually investing in the tool means that we don't need to invest in the physical labour that goes with it. But the tools never ever do the job for you. The tools just make that job a little bit easier. So yeah, it's brilliant that they've got the tools, but we still actually have to, my husband's on a ladder as we speak, I'm on my hands and knees sorting out the patio. You still actually have to put in the work and you have to know how to use those tools. So that's my thought for today. Don't rely on tools to do the job for you, because they can't. For more insights into what makes great L&D, for top tips, for how-to guides, please check out the rest of the channel, listen to the Training Design podcast, and check out the website, which is www.trainingdesignersclub.co.uk, where you can find loads of free and low-cost resources, courses, and have the opportunity to join our absolutely brilliant and supportive community of L&D practitioners.